how many ways can you arrange the letters in Kreekcraft? So this is a very similar setup to the previous problem because we're just mixing letters up to get new combinations. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many letters we have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. And then this is a permutation problem because the order matters, just like in the last problem. And we're putting 10 letters, which is our n, into 10 different positions because we're using all those letters again. So our r value is also 10. And remember, whenever we have the same number that's being permuted for n and r, this is just equal to that number factorial. So 10 factorial. However, that's not our answer just yet, because now we need to account for repeats in Kreekcraft. So let's see what we have. Notice how there's two k's in Kreekcraft. There's this k and then there's that k. There's also two e's right over here. And notice how there's two r's as well. So there's three different repeats. There's a 2k's, 2 e's, and 2 r's. So remember, the way you count for that is for each repeated unit, you divide by the number of times it appears, factorial. So 2k's means 2 factorial, 2 e's means 2 factorial, 2 r's means 2 factorial. And then 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, which is 2. So at the bottom, we just have 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 times 2 is just 8. And then for 10 factorial, that would just be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. I'm just going to draw a dot dot dot. All until you have times 2 and then times 1. Now granted, this is a lot to compute at once, and I wouldn't recommend doing this by hand. So I would just take out a calculator and compute what 10 factorial is. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you do that, that's just 362,800. And I think I said the wrong number. It's actually 3,628,800 divided by 8. And then if you do that math on a calculator, that's 453,600. So this means that there's this many ways to rearrange the letters in Kreekcraft's name to get unique combinations.